Well, you know me, I always forget the content, but if you look down here, she's back on there. So I did make it. Thank the good Lord. Well, after several attempts, no success at all. Failure after failure. So I decided just to pull the pump because the pulleys definitely just don't want to come off. See if we can find the right one here. Looks like there. Reverse. I tried everything I could. I just had the wrong puller and it just wouldn't pull it. Let's find a 13 here. Turning the whole thing. I know that. That was sketchy. Apparently there's a little seal in there though. That's the reason it won't just come off. I'm a Ford man. I just like this little Dodge. It's my work truck. And I just like it. That's not 13, that's 12. Wrong size, wrong size. Old eyes, can't see. Look what Derek Perry's doing right now. Boat 3. few seconds. And I spent several hours trying to pull that pulley. Which should have come off in like 2 minutes if you had the right pulley puller. Unless this was damaged real bad where it was in wreck. But that shows you sometimes after defeat, you can win after all. I'll be back with you when I get ready to put the new one on.